you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me look. If you send me the location, then I'll be right there.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. If you're new here, my name is Dee. I make beauty, lifestyle, and military related content, and I would love it if you subscribe. I'm doing a long awaited video. It is my room tour, my dorm room tour, and this video was also requested, so let's get into it. I'm gonna be doing room by room, obviously, and I'm not gonna be doing anything too in-depth because I feel like some of these types of videos get too in-depth and too long, and I'm not trying to do all that, okay? So this is one of my dorm room videos. I'm gonna be having two. Since this is my current dorm room right now, this is the one that I'm gonna do first until I move back into my other dorm room. So when I say that I have two, I was on my base's dorm council, and incentive of being on the council was we got a bigger and better room than what we had before. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, let's get into it. So we're gonna start in my actual bedroom. I'm gonna give you guys a little overview. If you guys watched my decorate with me for Christmas video, then you guys kind of saw my room a little bit, but if not, you should go watch that video. So this is the door to get into my room from the living room, and then once you walk in, you come over here, and this is my like entertainment center area thing. It's just where I have my TV and my Wii right here. And I have two TVs because this one stopped working. This is the one I originally have, but I got this one, so I have to get rid of that one. But like I said, since I'm moving, I'm gonna be getting rid of it anyway. So, and then this is the chair that's supposed to go to my desk, which this is a desk, but I turned it into just like, it has a little hutch that goes over it, but I turned it into just a table. So this is a chair, and since it's getting hotter outside, I have a fan because I need it, and it gets hot because my fan on the ceiling does not work like it should. And then this way, this is the window. The curtains do not match my whole room aesthetic at all. So we turn over here, and this is my bed area. This is where all the magic happens. Right here, I just have this lamp from Amazon, I believe, and my humidifier, because you need this. It's a warm mist humidifier. You're gonna need that. My Alexa, hey girl.
Hi there. If your spidey sense is tingling, it's because I've got a new Spider-Verse theme to try. So, to all the fans of Spider-Man, and my—
Now I wasn't expecting her to do all that. I don't even know. I don't know what that was about. But anyway, your dorm comes with all the brown stuff, like the desk and all this stuff. So this is the nightstand, and this is my bed. As you guys can see, my colors are navy blue, white. Like I said, you guys get a full-size bed. And then this painting I made myself. It is textured, if you guys can see that. I made this myself. My wall is actually wallpaper that I also did myself. This is that area here. So we come over here, and this is my mirror. I got this mirror from Kirkland's, and I think Kirkland's is like not even a thing anymore, so you probably can't find it. It's very hefty, very thick, nice, very, very nice mirror. It's literally the best mirror ever. So if we come over here, this is my closet area, and my dressers and stuff are here. This dresser I got from Walmart when I first got here because the girl has a lot of clothes and I needed more space. I'm used to having bigger drawers than what they provided us, so this does not come in your dorm. I bought this myself. Up here, I just have my jewelry. Coming over here is the dresser that they gave us, and it looks like this. So kind of like the same thing as the white one. And then up here, I have all of my fragrances and a few lotions. Right here, if you come around, this is my clothes hamper. I got that from Amazon. It just says dark laundry, light laundry, and color laundry. Then over here is my closet. In here is my closet. I'm not gonna open that because like I said, we're not going into detail. You guys just can't see the room. It's just like a regular closet. It's not walk-in or anything like that. So then right here is the door to my bathroom. So into here. Here is what bathroom looks like. Don't share with anybody in this room. And you get a tub. Well, I got a tub and a shower head. This is the shower. Looks like that. Then you get a mirror right here. And then here's your sink. Little crystals are like basically like beads to keep your, they're just like these little diamonds to keep jewelry and stuff from falling down the drain. But this is what it looks like. You got your toilet. This does not come with it. This I bought from Walmart as well. So I just have like body care stuff in here, hair stuff, mouth care, stuff like that. Toilet, this is my makeup. This does not come with it either. I bought this from Amazon. This is my makeup little area. I have my skincare coolers, makeup brushes, and hair stuff. And nothing too fancy. And yeah. Okay guys, so this is the entrance to my room itself. This is the front door. And then if you come over here, this is my little table. This table is from Amazon. I'll try to link it down below. I'm trying to make an Amazon storefront, so this is gonna be in my Amazon storefront whenever I finally make that. So then coming over here is like my cooking area, kitchen thing, my refrigerator and cabinets. This is an Instant Pot, and this is a induction cooktop, stovetop thing. It comes with like magnetic, what's it called? Little plate thingies to cook your stuff on, and that's the only way it'll work. And then I have my syrups for when I make my little drinks, my coffee maker, and my little D Jones play button that lights up. And then I'm not gonna open the cabinets, but there's food in there. Microwave, I have another air fryer, and then my refrigerator. But if we turn this way, this is where my TV was, but since my little one broke, I've moved the big one in there, and I have a little entertainment center, whatever you want to call it. Over here is where I keep my printer and my Wii stuff, where I keep miscellaneous items. And this thing is what I'm used to make some of the songs on my videos, to mix them so they're non-copyright. Then I have this rug, it's very soft, and I got this rug from Walmart. Then coming over here is my couch. You'll see this couch again. This couch was in my other room, and this couch is from Wayfair. Then over here is my stuffed animals and like my extra blankets. And then if you come over here, like I said, I'm packing, so those are my containers. And this bag I'm using, I keep my boots over here because I don't want to walk in my room with them. I keep my gym bag, my backpack for work, and this little nightstand thing. There's drawers in there. This wall is pretty much blank until I come over here, and that is my vision board. Then we make it back over to my door. I do have this clock up here. This clock is from, I think it's from Walmart. So I didn't film an outro for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This was my dorm room tour before I moved back to my other dorm room. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it was, you know, something that you guys might have wanted. Stay tuned for my other room, because that is my original room, and that one will show more of a realistic room that you could possibly get if you come to this base. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below what kind of dorm room you have, if it's like a quad, if you have your own bathroom or not, all that good stuff. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, because we love TikTok over here. I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.
No time.
She like them boy with the big old chains, ride around town in the big old range.